Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Date and Time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. Currently we are using the automatic option, so our device is automatically setting date, time and time zone. So first of all, turn off this switcher to be able to tap on date and change it just by swiping. Tap on OK to confirm. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it. We can change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones, so just find yours and tap like that, and it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the dual clocks. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher and turn it on again just by tapping on it again, of course. And basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second with the time from any other place in the world. So it's up to you. You can set your home city, etc. And you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. So currently we've got the 24-hour one. Just turn off this option to set 12-hour format. So this is the whole manual customization, and of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on this switcher right here. So your device will set the date and the time automatically. However, the time zone probably will have to be set manually still. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.